Welcome back, everybody, to our Super Nintendo World Grand Opening Special with another game on the Nintendo Wii. It's our last Game Show Nintendo Wii segment, which is the Price is Right Decades. After this, we have two Nintendo Wii segments that are not Game Show games. We'll see how they go after this game. But first, let's see how this game goes. Let's see which year we get this time. We're going back to the year 2008.
Here it comes from the Bob Barker Studio at CBS in Hollywood. Television's most exciting hour of fantastic prizes. The fabulous 60-minute Price is Right. Come on down. You're the next contestant on The Price is Right. Welcome to Contestants Row. Here's the item. How about a washer and electric dryer? This colorful washer and dryer will make your clothes fresh and clean while adding a vibrant look to your home. The washer features steam sanitization, and the dryer includes a refresh cycle to remove wrinkles and odors without washing. Let's start the bidding. All right, what's your bid? Okay, please give. And all right, your bid, please. It sounds like someone's exactly right. The person who got the exact bid wins a $500 bonus. Actual retail price is... You win. Come up on stage. Let's see what you'll be playing for. A new car! It's the Dodge Caliber SE. Comes standard with rear 60/40 folding seat, tilt steering and solar controlled glass, plus preferred customer package 24A and painted fabric protection, the Dodge Caliber. You can win it playing Gas Money. Okay, there are 5 price tags. Only one is right, while the other 4 are wrong. To win the prize, you must pick all of the 4 wrong price tags. Each wrong tag has money behind it. There's a $1,000, a $2,000, a $3,000, and a $4,000. Every time you pick a tag, you can stop with the money you've earned so far. If you pick the actual retail value of the car before getting all 4 wrong tags, you won't win anything. Good luck. Select a tag.
Let me have 19,373.
All right, let's see what this tag is hiding. $4,000. You have $4,000.
I want to keep playing.
Pick a tag.
20,649.
Okay, what does this tag hold? $1,000. You have $5,000.
I'll play and say 21,782.
Okay, grab a tag. What's behind this tag? $2,000. You have $7,000.
I will play.
There's only 2 tags left.
17,739.
Yes, it is. You picked the last incorrect tag. Great, you win the prize plus $10,000.
All right. 31,494. Let's play the Showcase Showdown.
Welcome to the Showcase Showdown. You'll spin the wheel. Be careful, though. If your total is exact, this is the current
76. Okay.
It's your turn to spin.
And I got it with 75. I'm going to keep it.
75. You win. Congratulations. You're headed to the showcase. Welcome to the showcase. There are 2 showcases. If your bid is within 2, let's see the first showcase. Your showcase begins with a year's supply of bottled water. From Crystal Geyser, a year's supply of Alpine Spring water, 1,728 bottles, bottled right at the mountain source. Crystal Geyser believes there's no substitute for perfection. Taste the difference yourself. And a new dining room. Furniture on a grand scale inspired the creation of Ashley's Cozumel Molino dining room group. Ash burlow accents, plume and shell medallions, and frame panel doors adds to its sophistication from the Ashley companies. And there's this beautiful dinnerware. Noritaki's Ardmore Platinum Ivory Formal China features a delicate white-on-white filigree and includes this beautifully sculpted turning point crystal stemware from Noritaki. Finally, enjoy the thrills of this new snowmobile. It's the all-new Yamaha RS Vector snowmobile. Get your thrills when the weather chills with a 120 horsepower 4-stroke engine and dual-angle slider rails for deep snow performance. Do you want to bid or pass?
I'll bid 14,509.
You've kept the show. How much do you think your showcase is worth? You'll bid on the second showcase. And on to the next flat car, we find a lovely dining group. This Johnston Casual's contemporary casual dining group is cultural and innovative, featuring steel and glass that work well in today's most sophisticated interiors. Beautiful and made to last from Johnston Casuals. But at the end of the train, instead of a caboose, we have a new plasma TV. This is your opponent's bid. Okay, you've both bid on your showcases. The actual retail. Your bid is less than $250 from the retail price. You win both showcases.
All right, so boy, $60,443. And I'll see you all for another game after the break.